Wise, having or showing experience, knowledge, and good judgment. Example, the elder's wise advice helped us make the right decision. Yearn, to have an intense feeling of longing for something. Example, she yearned to travel and explore new places. Zealous, having or showing great enthusiasm in pursuit of a cause. Example, the activist was zealous about environmental protection. Lively, full of life and energy. Example, the party was lively with music and dancing. Modest, unassuming, or moderate in the estimation of one's abilities. Example, she gave a modest response to the praise she received. Nervous, feeling anxious or worried. Example, he felt nervous before giving his presentation. Optimistic, hopeful, and confident about the future. Example, she remained optimistic despite the challenges. Polite, having or showing good manners and respect. Example, the waiter was polite and attentive to our needs. Quiet, making little or no noise. Example, the library was a quiet place for studying. Reliable, consistently good in quality or performance.